morning, everybody. Welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. We've got lots of things to talk about today, so I will just jump right into it. The first thing we're going to tell everybody is that we are doing a trunk show with Fran from Cotton and Joy this coming Friday. We've got her coming to show off her new fabric line, which is this one right here. This is South Hill. She's also going to have all of her wonderful patterns, and we're going to have displays of lots of her quilts and ones that we've done here as well. One of the ones that we're going to be showing off on Friday is this one right here. This uses the crescent pattern of hers as well as the new South Hill line. And we will have kits of this one available also. Another one we'll have is this cute little table runner right here. We'll have kits for this one also. It's more of a simple pattern, a little more modern, easy to throw together. So that one would be perfect. We've got the kits for those also. So we'll have all of these fun things displayed on Friday. So definitely please come join us. Fran is wonderful, and I'm sure she would absolutely love to talk about her new line and answer any of your questions. So right up front here, we talked about the new K Fawcett line before the 85 and Fabulous. So we've got that one over here. Another thing that came out with it that's really exciting are these beautiful shot cottons. So they're wovens, and they just have the most beautiful color, woven with two different colors. So it really gives it that wonderful depth to it. So this one right here, I don't know if you can see it on camera. I really hope you can, otherwise you'll definitely have to come in and take a look, because it, depending on how you sort of look at it, it goes between red and green. So this one is very cool. Definitely come in and check it out, because like it's just so beautiful and would be just, I think, so nice with any of his stuff, or maybe in a different project that you have in mind for it, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, and I'm gonna come over here. So we are still doing our used machine sale. We've got that going on through this week. It's right back here in our classrooms. So you can see we've still got all of them set up back there. We have nearly 30 left in there, so lots to choose from, and we're still bringing more machines out that we've gotten in that have gone through servicing, so definitely keep an eye on it, because we are bringing out more, but it is through this week. So if you want to pop in and see if you're looking for a machine, we have lots of options, so there might be the one for you in there. Another thing we wanted to show off today is this beautiful sewing table. This is by Americana. This is the Amelia table. As you can see, it's got lots of amazing features. It has this hydraulic lift right here for your sewing machine, so lots of options there. We've got lots of foldable options, so you can fold this closed. There is a fold in the back here, so you can fold it up to make it even larger. Maybe if you're doing some quilting and you need a little bit more space, you can pull it out and lift it up. That gives you a little bit more room to work with. It's also got this wonderful curve to it. So it's just very, they're very thoughtful in how they created this table. So we are looking forward to selling this and hope you'll stop by and take a look at it. Okay, we'll head back over to the fabric now. So right up here at the counter, we've got Love Confessions by RB Studios. Is this gorgeous floral, pinks, magentas. It has that almost like deep periwinkle. It's beautiful watercolor design. And we do have some pre-cut, some back quarters for this one. But yeah, anything in this line is going to turn out just stunning because it's so gorgeous. And then we're also very excited about this one right here. This is Maplewood by Dashwood Studios. We love all of Dashwood's stuff that they put out. It's always very cute and whimsical. I always think it's like the perfect fabric for maybe a little one. It comes with this fabric. It's on the bolt, so it is yardage, but it's got these blocks in here that you could cut out and use in any quilt. And because it's on the bolt and you can buy yardage, you can kind of choose however much you will need for your quilt, which is really nice. So we love this one. And we'll come on over here. This is the cutest kids line. We all just absolutely adore it. It's all of these little sea creatures. It's called Water Babies by Studio E. And it's a really interesting color scheme too. It's a little different than your standard sort of kids or nursery colors, which I think is nice. It kind of, you know, gives other people a little more options. So it's got like the reds, the deep grays, the oranges, and then it comes with these really fun panels as well. So there's this one, which is the large one, and there is a free pattern online that uses this large panel. So there's that one, and then we've also got this one here that has the blocks. So it's got just the different little characters on there in the block form. They're just so cute. Okay, so now we're gonna head this way. We're gonna go down our aisle here that we affectionately call Flower Pot because it's got all of the florals. We have this line right here, which is very exciting. This is called Thicket by Andover. Very bright, vibrant, colorful line. You've kind of got the whole rainbow spectrum there. But beautiful florals, some more abstract pieces. The ones with the lily pads are really cute. Really like these ones, and it's got that pretty texture to it. And this one also has a free pattern online that is really cool. It really makes use of that full rainbow effect, so that's really cool. So you can check that out and see that pattern. And we're gonna come right around the corner here, down this one. Now we've got this line right down here. This is called Sweet Nothings by Andover. We had some of it out before, but we have the full line out now. It's just a very pretty, more traditional styling, but more in those soft tones. So you can maybe do like a scrappy, low volume quilt or incorporate any of these beautiful fabrics into ones that you're working on. So that one is really nice. Looking forward to using that in things. And then we also have this one right here. This is Everlasting. This one is also by Andover. The color scheme in this one is very rich and moody. It's got those deep purples and those wonderful olive greens. Very just like warm and inviting. Makes you want to sort of like snuggle up next to it. So if you make a quilt, anybody is going to want to be a part of that. And we also have pre-cuts for this one. So we've got this beautiful stack of 8 fat quarters there. We have lots of fat quarter friendly patterns here. We are a fan of the fat quarter. So lots of patterns to go with any of our fat quarter bundles here. You can find them all around the store. Okay, so now we're gonna come up to the counter here And we've got this really fun rooster line. It's called Proud Rooster by Wilmington Prints. It has more of that classic feel with those reds and blacks. Sort of country kitchen sort of is what it makes me think of. But we've got lots of things that accompany this one. So this border print here is very nice. And then we've got the pre-cuts for it as well. This fun little apron panel. We love these here in the store. We like to make them up so you can see the sample. So the sample for this one is almost done so you can see it. But it comes in this panel, so all you have to do is cut it out and sew it together, which is very nice. Makes it a super fast and easy project. And then this one right here is a placemat panel. So we've got 4 different little rectangles here that you can turn into your placemats, and they even give you instructions on this side so that you know how to throw it together real fast. Along with this panel, you also have this free pattern that Wilmington put out. It is an adorable table topper. It makes use of the placemat panel here, as you can see in the center there, and then they use the yardage from the line to accompany it. And it makes this really cool little table topper. So this one's a free pattern, so if you come in, you can just, we'll have this one available, and we also have all of the yardage that you would need to make it work. So we're very excited about that as well. Well, it has been a wonderful little tour this morning. Just to kind of recap real quick, we've got the trunk show for Cotton and Joy coming up this Friday. I think we're going to be around 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. is kind of our window there. So you can just stop by whenever you want and come into, I think we're going to have it in the classroom over there. So stop by, say hi to Fran. We're very excited to have her here. We've also got the used machine sales still going on. So if you're still interested in, getting a new machine for yourself, definitely stop by. We've still got lots of options. As well, we also wanted to mention that on our Facebook, you can now do your shopping. So anything that we have on our website, we will also have on our Facebook. So if you go to our Facebook and go to the little shopping link, it'll have all of our things on there. So we're very excited about that as well. So go check that out. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining, and we'll see you next week.